Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be working on the C6 Corvette, which is from 2005 to 2013 model years. Now in shrinking the C6 Corvette side windows, you want to shrink the bottom, leave a good amount of fingers at the top of the glass, because you're going to want to double shrink these. Now as Jeremy's doing here, once you're done shrinking the first time at the bottom, respray your glass, lay the tint back out on the window, and form fingers to the top. And then once you feel you've shrunk enough, just like this, you're ready to lay it in. And if you have any fingers left over, shrink them accordingly. But be careful down at the bottom. Don't want to burn that door panel.